Hello and welcome guys to the second part of the mobile development series. And in the previous video we learned about how to create a app bar in the Flutter. Okay, so moving forward to the course, today I have or you are learning how to make a container, how to make a body of a Flutter or a app, and show the contents over the body. Okay, so without wasting the time, let's jump into the project. Okay, so let's continue over the same project. So in the previous one we have made a app bar, and we have discussed all the properties about app bar. And in this one we are doing or knowing about containers. So containers are like part of the body. So let's call a widget which is a body, and inside body let's call a container. Okay, container is also a widget. Flutter is all about widget and so after container, we call container, we have some properties of a container. For example, container always have a height, so let's give it as a 500, not 500, let's give it as a 150. Okay, and for a width, let's give it as a 400. Okay, so we have assigned two things, height and width. And the main important thing in the container, we should also give a color to container. So I can give a color, and let's call it as a cyan or like red. Let's give it as a red. Okay, so and now let's try to hot reload and see the changes. So you can see we got a container which is of height 150 and of width 400. Okay, so this is how we can make a container, but it is not looking good, and Flutter is all about good UI. So let's make it more beautiful. So we just have to assign some more properties over it. So first of all, we can do is to make it more professional, let's change its color to like black 12. Okay, and decorate it. Okay, so for decorating it, in this we can do is what call a box decoration, and we can do multiple things over here. For example, let's try to give it a border radius. What is a border radius? You know the curves around the container is known as border radius. So for using border radius, I call border radius all. Inside all, I need circular, and the amount of border radius we require is 20. Okay, and let's assign constant over here and try to run the project and see what changes occur. So we got an error. This is like most important thing. Why we got an error? Cause we have defined a color over here. So note this thing out. If you have a decoration over container, you should always give color inside the decoration. Okay, so this is how you can do it, and now you can see the error is gone, and we have got the curves around our container. Okay, and this is looking more beautiful. We can give more things, like we can give a border, and of borders, like we have to call border, and for border we want all. So let's border dot all, and let's try to run it and see the changes. We have to decide multiple things over here, like we can give bottom, side, and color like black, and see the changes. So you can see we have got a like border around our container. Similarly we can do for like top and top right most and different things. So let's remove this, and let me tell you one more thing. We have done with decoration, border, and we have decided all the things over a container, but the main thing is it is not looking good over here. We have to do its alignment. For alignment, let's click on this and just press Ctrl plus dot in your like PC, and one dialog box will be appeared, and here you can go to padding, and for padding we can just give 8 or 10 from both the side. Try to run it and see our container is perfectly aligned. And we can make multiple containers. For example, we have this now. We can change its color. So we got right. And for adding multiple containers, we have to learn new concept, which is of columns, row, and stack. Okay, so this is it for this lecture, and make sure you like and subscribe the video, and please stay tuned for the more similar crazy content, and thank you for watching. Bye.